Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So, today I will be talking about avocado seed oil. So, avocado is it is a unique fruit because it is the only fruit that is proteinous. Yeah, there's several fruits out there that are quite healthy, but avocado is just one in a world of its own. And there's so many benefits of avocado as a fruit, and I will talk about that. But also, in addition, of course, I will be talking about avocado oil, which we sell. We sell the refined and the unrefined version of avocado oil. It is a great oil that you can use in several ways. It is a very versatile oil, and I have talked about several oils on here, but I haven't talked about avocado oils just yet because I was just waiting for the time and the place. So, well, avocado seed oil is known to have a very high smoke point. So, unlike olive oil is also quite versatile. It can take a lot of heat, but its smoke point is lower than avocado oil. So avocado oil can be used for frying, and it goes up to about 500-degree Fahrenheit. So it has a very high smoke point. So if you want to fry stuff and you want to fry stuff with healthy oil, then avocado oil is the one you should use. So it's good for baking as well, and you can use it for dressing and marinades, just how olive seed olive oil works. So it is also something you use to finish your cooking and just drizzle it on top because it has a very good um, benefit for the heart, um, because it's high in monosaturated fats. It can help to lower bad cholesterol. So it is very good for the heart. And it's rich in nutrients. It helps with blood sugar, and you can actually use it in place of some other oils that people use today. So there's canola oil, which is said to not be that healthy. I'm not sure because I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nutritionist, but I tend to stay away from some of these other oils that can have some other kinds of fats that may not be too healthy. But there is also the benefits that it contains, and avocado is something that you need to find the very good quality one because sometimes they do come mixed because avocado on its own is not very cheap. So like when you I think recently avocado has become a bit cheaper. Like I eat avocados every single day now because it's a lot cheaper than it was before. I'm not sure why, but now you can find avocados for relatively cheaper here in the state of Massachusetts. I don't know where you are, but then here it is relatively cheap to find avocados, unlike before. So like I said, when it comes to the oil, it can be used in versatile ways, and it works great for hair because I have a beauty company. I'm not into the culinary industry just yet, so I use avocado seed oil in skincare. So it works great for skincare, and just because of the fatty acids. So when I talk about these oils and butters, I talk about them because they are high in fatty acids. So oils that are high in fatty acids are known to moisturize the skin, known to moisturize the hair very, very well. So there's a refined and unrefined version because the unrefined version is a very potent dark green color. So if you want to get some of the benefits of avocado seed oil without that dark color, then we do sell the refined version. So the refined version has a higher smoke point and a more neutral flavor, and you can use that also for high heat cooking. It's not refined using any kind of chemicals. Obviously, like I've said that on here, our oils are cold pressed and they are pure and just in their natural state. But if you don't want to use the unrefined, then the refined is also fine and can deliver some of the benefits that you find in the unrefined version. So for me, I use it on my skin. So when I make with butters, I just incorporate avocado seed oil. I use the unrefined and I use the refined. So sometimes it just depends on what I'm trying to make. If you're trying to make something that just absorbs color or where color doesn't matter to you, then you can definitely use avocado seed oil. You can just blend it with a bunch of other natural butters and oils that come in that color, and you will not even notice. Like sometimes you just want a dark brown butter or dark green with butter, then you can just add the unrefined version. But if you're looking to just make something that is pure white, then maybe you can use the refined version of olive oil. So yeah, there's several oils that mimic avocado oil. So olive oil is one of them. Also, grapeseed oil. If you are somebody that cares for your hair using natural and pure organic ingredients, then you would know that this oil is one that is very good because it has a lot of healthy fats that help with the moisturization of hair, and actually it is very light. Even though the unrefined version is very potent, but it's still light enough to penetrate your scalp and just moisturize more deeply than other thick oils like castor oil or black castor oil or not the conventional castor oil. So less. So yeah, is there any oil that can actually cause your hair to grow? Well, some of them are known to improve hair growth just by reducing inflammation. So the oils itself would not necessarily like pull out the hair from your scalp, but it would just create a good environment on your scalp to be able to foster hair growth. So where people talk about some of these butters and oils and promote them for causing hair growth, it's just because they create the environment, they create the things that the body needs in order to actually obtain or produce real hair growth. But when you are able to, when your hair is moisturized and soft, then there's less breakage, there's just less damage, and you see more growth. You're able to retain more growth. And when it comes to skincare, you just want your skin to be nourished, to look healthy. So sometimes there's several ingredients that are in different skincare products, and there's just several skincare products that we don't necessarily need. You just want to nurture your skin. You just want your skin to look vibrant, healthy, and just stress free. So some skincare and haircare is just not about the products. Also, it's about what goes into the body. So if you're looking to radiate, if you want to radiate good skin, then it's good to just start from what you eat. And avocado oil is one of those oils that can nourish you inside and outside. So it's a very versatile oil, like olive oil. So people use it for skin, people use it for hair, people eat it. So these are the versatile oils that everyone needs to have in their house. And we saw the unrefined and the refined version on our website. If you're somebody that just wants to start using avocado oil, then maybe you can just start with using the refined version and then move on to using the unrefined version afterwards. I just hope this video is just a simple video, me just bringing up some of these natural oils and just highlighting some of their benefits and why they are very beneficial for skin and hair and also for consumption. I hope you find this video useful. Like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe and stay tuned for more. When you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell just so you can get updates on my videos and recipes and all of that good stuff. So have a great day and thank you so much for watching. Bye.